Twins Tape. Today we are doing a taste test with banana-filled marshmallows.
Banana-filled. No.
Bananas filled with chocolate and
Yeah.
marshmallows. See, look them. Okay,
Now
now we're going to start opening
Bulgari.
it and see
The Bulgari.
Bulgari.
Anyway.
That's it. Now we're going to start.
What's a
opening
Bulgari?
it.
They might be as big as a banana.
Well, they're not as big as a banana. They're silly. They're a miniature banana. They're even smaller than a small banana.
Look.
There,
I left mine.
no, this is the first bite.
I'm gonna have it.
I
I got one.
Just spill mine. Sour. They do taste like a marshmallow. I don't think it's chocolate yet.
Marshmallow inside.
Milk chocolate.
Marshmallow inside.
That's sour.
I didn't know it was
Not too sour though.
Where's my?
It's more like sweet. Yeah, like
And
marshmallow. Marshmallow or squishy.
Marshmallow and chocolate. Marshmallow
chewy.
and chocolate.
Chewy, and it can definitely taste the
Soury.
chocolate once you get to
And
the
it doesn't even hurt my tooth.
That's chocolate. Oh, it's Nutella. Yeah, Nutella. Oh, look. It tastes. Oh, look. It's sprinkled with sugar. It's made from bananas. Yeah.
Look, it's sprinkled with sugar.
So,
Oh.
it's sour. Kind of sour. Sweet. It would have all of the taste that you expect it to have. It tastes like you expect it to have, but the chocolate's Nutella, not sweet. And then it looks like there's banana sprinkles just sprinkled on the outside, and then it's marshmallow with chocolate Nutella chocolate filled on the inside. If you don't know what Nutella tastes like, it's just like chocolate with like a mixture flavor. Subscribe to bye.
Another one.
No, how many did you have?
One.
Bye. Subscribe to the Twins Tape. Bye. Well, if you notice, we're in Korea. So
Yeah,
next
we're in
time we're
Korea.
going to be. So be in tunes.